Have you ever felt your energy shift just by entering a room, hearing a voice, or thinking a certain thought? Imagine your body not as mere flesh and bone, but as a vibrant vessel animated by the spark of your spirit. Every beat of your heart, every breath you take, every thought and emotion you experience is alive with energy. Everything around us and within us vibrates. From the tiniest atom to the farthest star, the universe is a symphony of frequencies. And here's the question that changes everything. What if the quality of your energy is the secret to unlocking your true potential? Understanding energy is more than a scientific concept. It is the life force that drives everything. It moves through subatomic particles, flows across planets, and pulses in galaxies far beyond our sight. But it is also intimately connected to us. Every cell in your body, every thought you think, every feeling you feel is infused with this dynamic force. Throughout the day, your energy rises and falls. It shifts depending on your experiences, your environment, and even the people you interact with. Multitasking may seem natural, but remember, your energy is not infinite. As it diminishes, you may notice subtle changes. Your motivation drops, your focus wanes, and even simple tasks feel heavier than usual. Low energy doesn't just affect the body. It seeps into your mind and emotions, shaping your entire experience, types and levels of energy. Energy exists on multiple levels: physical, mental, and spiritual. They are distinct yet deeply interconnected, influencing each other in ways we often overlook. For instance, imagine taking a long walk in a serene forest. Physically, your muscles may ache, your body feels tired, but inside, your mind feels clear, your spirit uplifted. Your mental and emotional energy has increased even as your physical energy decreased. Conversely, you might wake up fully rested, yet spend an hour in the presence of someone who radiates negativity. Suddenly, you feel drained mentally, emotionally, and sometimes even physically. These examples show us that energy is not isolated, but constantly interacting with our environment, our thoughts, and those around us. Awareness is key. Recognizing the people, places, and situations that either elevate or deplete your energy allows you to make conscious choices, decisions that protect your vitality and preserve the spark of your spirit. Energy as vibration. Energy is not static. It vibrates. Just as a guitar string emits a particular tone when struck, your energy resonates at its own unique frequency, subtly affecting everything around you. Vibrations can be high, low, or somewhere in between. High vibrations are aligned with joy, love, and gratitude, attracting positivity and harmony. Low vibrations arise from fear, stress, or negativity, pulling you toward experiences that drain and distract. For those who want a deeper understanding, the Map of Consciousness by David R. Hawkins provides a fascinating framework to measure and interpret these vibrational levels. At the core, the principle is simple. Your energy attracts like energy. Raise your frequency, and the universe responds. Lower your frequency, and you become vulnerable to fatigue, negativity, and disconnection. This expanded section now opens with a captivating hook, explains energy clearly, both scientifically and experientially, gives relatable examples for physical, mental, and spiritual energy. Introduces vibrations in a simple, visual metaphor, maintains the reflective, philosophical tone suitable for a faceless video. Have you ever felt inexplicably drained after scrolling through your phone, watching the news, or being around certain people? That drain isn't just in your imagination, it's the impact of low vibrations. Just as high-frequency energy uplifts, low-frequency energy depletes, leaving you tired, unmotivated, and disconnected from your true self. Sources of low vibrations. Low vibrations come from both external and internal sources, quietly influencing your energy every day. Externally, they appear in the form of toxic environments filled with stress, conflict, or hostility, negative people whose attitudes or emotions weigh you down, global events, news, and social media that constantly pull your attention toward fear, uncertainty, and negativity. Internally, low vibrations emerge from your own mind, thoughts rooted in fear, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs, replaying past mistakes or imagining future anxieties. The consequences of these low vibrations are profound. You may notice fatigue that isn't relieved by sleep, emotional drain, feeling emotionally empty or irritable, disconnection from your purpose, leaving life feeling heavy and meaningless, long-term effects on mental health, such as chronic stress, anxiety, or depression. Understanding these sources is the first step toward reclaiming your energy, protecting your energy. The power to protect your energy lies within awareness. Start by identifying the sources of low vibrations in your life. Ask yourself, which people, spaces, or content drain me? Which choices leave me feeling depleted? Once you recognize them, take action to protect yourself. Environmental protection. Choose spaces, people, and media that nourish your energy rather than deplete it. Set boundaries. Saying no isn't selfish, it's essential. Protect your time, attention, and mental space from energy-draining influences. Internal energy management. Protection isn't only external, it's also internal. You must establish energetic boundaries within yourself, become aware of negative thought patterns as they arise, practice meditation and mindfulness to observe thoughts without attachment, recognize that thoughts are temporary patterns, not absolute truths. At the same time, care for the physical vessel that carries your energy, engage in regular exercise to circulate vitality, maintain hydration, proper nutrition, and rest, supporting the mind-body connection. Remember, the mind affects the body, and the body affects the mind. Energy flows through both in harmony. By protecting your energy from external drains and managing it internally, you reclaim your power, maintain clarity, and rise above the influences that seek to deplete you. This expanded section now opens with a hook that immediately connects to the viewer's experience, clearly identifies external and internal low vibration sources, explains consequences of low energy in relatable terms, offers practical and philosophical solutions for protection and self-management. Maintains the reflective, empowering tone suitable for a faceless video. Have you ever noticed how a simple connection with the earth, a quiet walk in nature, or the company of uplifting people can instantly recharge you? That's not coincidence, it's energy restoration in action. Just as a battery recharges when placed in the right environment, your energy can be renewed, amplified, and elevated when you practice conscious restoration, energy restoration practices. Grounding is one of the most powerful ways to restore your energy. By walking barefoot on soil, grass, or sand, you create a direct connection with the earth. This simple act allows natural energy to flow into your body, stabilizing your internal state and releasing tension that has built up over time. It is a reminder that we are part of a larger energetic system, and that alignment with nature rejuvenates the spirit. Immersion in nature takes this even further. Time spent among trees, rivers, mountains, or the open sky has a profound ability to restore balance. Nature calms the mind, refreshes emotional reserves, and elevates your vibrations. Even a few minutes of mindful presence outdoors can shift your energy from stagnation to vitality. Your social environment also plays a crucial role. Surround yourself with people whose presence uplifts and energizes you. Positive social circles amplify your vibrations naturally, encouraging joy, inspiration, and motivation. By seeking out such connections and striving to become one of those uplifting individuals yourself, you create a continuous flow of high-frequency energy. Gratitude practice is another transformative tool. Shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance changes your perception of life. Gratitude doesn't just make you feel better, it elevates your energy, transforms your perspective, and draws more positive experiences into your life. By acknowledging what you already have, you invite more of the same high vibration energy to flow toward you. Closing empowering message. Remember this, your energy is your magic. Protect it, nurture it, and watch your life transform. Each conscious choice, whether in thought, action, or environment, strengthens your energy, allowing you to rise above low vibrations and align with your highest self. Make awareness a daily habit. Observe where your energy goes. Recognize what depletes it and actively restore it. By practicing grounding, immersing in nature, surrounding yourself with positivity, and cultivating gratitude, you maintain a high vibrational state that radiates through every aspect of your life. Your energy is not just a resource, it is a force of creation, a magnetic power that shapes your experiences, your relationships, and your reality. Protect it, cherish it, and let it guide you toward a life of vitality, clarity, and fulfillment. This expanded section now opens with a strong, relatable hook, explains each energy restoration. Practice clearly and philosophically, provides practical steps while keeping reflective tone, closes with an empowering, motivating message perfect for faceless narration.